Guys, huge announcement. I have free lean resources online, and I'm going to show you how to get to them and where they're at. You're going to start by going www.hughcarnahan.com. Once you are there, up in the top left-hand corner, there is free lean resources. When you click on that, it will redirect you to a communities page, and you have to be a member. So over here, there's going to be a login button. You create an account. You should be automatically approved. The reason why we have this membership is very, very easy for me to manage. And this will also be updated all the time indefinitely. So even if we change platforms or services, your membership should still be around. It doesn't cost anything. We're just using that as tracking. And we're going to be adding to it all the time. So if you check this next year, 2 years from now, this stuff can change and it's all going to be right here. Over here, there's free resources. When you click on free resources, here's what you have. So I have my morning meeting template down here. You can read what I said about it, blah, blah, blah. You can also click on the link. It'll take you right to the morning meeting template. And this is editable. And in the future, I can make a quick video on how this works. This, don't let it intimidate you. It has 107 slides. Not a big deal, right? What happens is you're going to open this up, copy a new one every day, and you basically delete out almost all the slides. So it ends up being about 20 slides. All of my team and myself use this every day. It takes maybe 4 or 5 minutes to get everything set up. We have a Friday template, and this is a continuing ed and then a Hansei, right? So our Hanseis, after the continuing ed section, we just do a deep dive. Hey guys, we're introducing the idea of Kanbans. And you just have a longer time. This was really for us to be able to use to just add supplemental data. And then the Hansei section is to look back with deep regret at what we could have done better. This should be done at the departmental level, and these are just an idea of guides, right? Went well, how to replicate, what went to hell, how do we improve, and so on and so forth. So if you want to give that a look, you certainly can. Still the basic 8 wastes, but so many people have such a struggle with office folk, especially when you're first transitioning, that there's buy-in issues. And so I rewrote the 8 wastes to be 6 wastes. A huge shout out to Ryan Tierney, because I got this from Ryan Tierney's 6 office wastes for engineering design and 6 office wastes for marketing. They have 12 wastes. They don't all use it. I combined them and then rewrote them with the standard 8 wastes to produce the 6 wastes. So give it a good read through here. This is different than the 8 wastes. People in the office have a tremendous opportunity to make your lives way better and your customer. And at the same time, it's a double-edged sword. Bad process can screw over the Gemba people and piss your customers off. And so this is an aim to solve that. Underlying, it's the same 8 wastes as before, but it's translated into an area the office people are gonna have the biggest impact. Get them thinking there. Guys, that is it. Head on over to hughcarnahan.com, and I've got more stuff coming. Lean resources, you can click around here if you want. Got some exciting stuff happening this year. I'm gonna have some courses coming out, possibly some coaching. Wanted to let you guys know, first and foremost, I'm also going to be working with a few companies that I believe in and I personally use, and I'm going to be reaching out and see if I can point you guys in their direction. I want to get their permission before I do that, though. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, remember to go out there, fix what bugs you, check the site out, check everything out. Let me know in the comments if there's something else you want to see. We'll see you next time.